Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset Poco X6 Neo 5G smartphone. Okay, this is helpful for those who have forgot their password, pin or pattern. As you can see, wrong pin entered. This is helpful for those who have forgot their password, pin or pattern. Okay, to hard reset, first power off your smartphone, press the volume and power key together. Now slide upward to power it off. Okay, now it is successfully power off. Now press and hold the volume up and power key together for few seconds. Press and hold the volume up and power key together for few seconds. Press and hold it. Now release the power key and keep pressing the volume up key. And you can see it will send you in the main menu MIUI recovery 5.0. Now volume key is to move up and down and power button to confirm. Now here go to wipe data. Here go to wipe data and confirm. And you can see back to main menu and wipe all data. Go to wipe all data and confirm. And you can see confirm wipe of all data. This cannot be undone. Go to confirm and confirm it. And you can see data wiped successfully. Now back to main menu and reboot to system. And guys, after hard reset might take some time to boot up the device, and after hard reset also password, pin or pattern, use Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to hard reset Poco X6 Neo 5G smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.